because I don't want to reveal. Finally, we are wrapped. Oh my god. What?
Thank you.
What is what you have? What just happened here? Let's do it. I'm gonna customize this out. I'm just gonna clean this like okay. I'm gonna use this girl. No, this. Oh my god. I didn't check the roleplay.
Di ka nakikita sa camera yan. Ayan. Nanapod.
Pagkaon. Ay, we arrived to our destination.
Basta niya. Salamat.
Ay, love niya.
Siyempre.
So, na-reset akong tukaboka. Sad kayo. It's occurs.
Maria Corazon. Get. Di chucho ka dut doy.
Dabay de. Chuy!
Bisa do. Anak naman ka.
Nyara ko. Ros, iraya na yung tukaboka. Ilang katawa. So, let's start. Oh my god, na 3 minutes na day. I'm just gonna start this video when I'm done. So far, so good.
A few moments later.
After. Ay, sasabahan mo na lang yung kakao ay. Falling. So this is the result. So have no time. So bye.